Welcome guys, welcome to online learning, and this is your third lesson. So this time the name is Hike the Pyramids. I don't know if you guys ever went to Egypt, and I have never been to Egypt yet, but I have brought Egypt here and Egypt's pyramids. You all know the Pyramid of Giza. So it has three pyramids and all of them are of different heights. One of them is Menkore, which is the smallest one. The other one is Kharfe, and the biggest, the tallest one is Khufu. Don't worry about this 10, 20, 30. I'm going to explain this later. But for now, while you guys are staying home, I'm going to help you climb these pyramids. Let me tell you how. So, I would advise you guys first look at these pyramids and see which one is more fascinating. For me, this is really fascinating to climb the highest, the tallest pyramid. But I'm going to give you guys options. If you want to climb this Menkure pyramid, what you're going to do? You are getting to do 4 exercises, plus you're also going to learn how to climb the pyramids. So I'm going to show you. First, suppose you're here at the bottom, so you have to go up, right? So to reach up, the first exercise is squat jumps. So squats, when your back is straight, your shoulders are back, you do squats, and from there you jump. Squat, jump. That's your first exercise. But you're only doing exercise. How are you going to climb up? So with each exercise, you have 4 exercises here. With each exercise, you're going to add pyramid climbers. Let me show you how. Your back is straight, marker is in my hand, and you're going to climb the pyramid just like that. Then your second exercise, push-ups. Either you do advanced push-ups without touching the knee on the ground, or if you're not there yet, put your knees down and do the push-ups. As I told you before, after every exercise, you're going to climb the pyramid. So after push-ups, you're climbing it again. Third one is burpees. Burpees, jump here and jump. Again, after burpees, you're going to climb the pyramids right here. Then you're almost there now. You have climbed 3 stages. You have the last stage, which is lunges. Now lunges, your front leg is bent 90 degrees, back leg is straight. You jump, change legs, and these are your lunges. Make sure your knees are not crossing your toes, it's straight. And you're going to finish with, remember, you're just here with lunges. Now you're going to climb the top, right? From here, you climb the pyramid again, and you are there. You're right at the top now. See, I'm already feeling the heat. Now, when you're right here, you are showing your victory sign that I'm right there. Now, you're not going to have any food, no internet, no phones. So what you're going to do? You have to come down. But you cannot jump straight, because if you jump straight, you're going to hurt your knees. So what you're going to do, you're going to start from the last exercise, which is lunges, then burpees, push-ups, squats. You're going to go backwards, and you do each exercise with pyramid climbers and go up all the way. And when you're right here, you do squats, and with pyramid climbers, you are done. That means you will have climbed the first Menkure pyramid on your own. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, I know you are really competitive, you're always challenging to yourself, I would recommend you guys to go and try the adventure of second pyramid, Kharfe. Can you do that for me? Not for me, for yourself. Once you're done here, then you can climb the Khufu mountain. Now remember, I told you don't worry about this 10, 20, 30. I'm going to explain what are these numbers. So when you are climbing the first mountain, which is Menkure, 10 is written here. That means every exercise, either squat, jump, pyramid, or any exercise, you're going to do 10 repetitions, 10 times, 1, 2 push-ups. Now 20 means if you want to climb this pyramid, then you 20 reps. Now, if you are really, really brave and strong and you want to climb this Khufu pyramid, That means you're gonna get to do 30 repetitions of every exercise. Remember, when you're at top, you gotta remember to come down. Okay, do not jump right away, you're gonna hurt yourself. So you go step by step. Fourth exercise, third exercise, second exercise, and then first exercise. That means you will have climbed all the mountains. And if you want to climb all the mountains in one day, keep doing it. Once you're done, you're gonna tell me on Google Classroom or online that which climb or which pyramid did you climb. And I'm sorry if I ever said mountain. What I meant is pyramid. That's your work. And remember to keep getting stronger. Even if your heart is beating faster while working out, that means you're getting stronger. And I believe in you, and you're amazing.